Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the past few years, as we have been talking about on the channel, we've slowly seen Microsoft introduce modern user interface elements back into Windows 11 across the File Explorer interface. One of those being making the dark mode more consistent. Now, just a quick recap for the purpose of this video. If I quickly pop over to my recycle bin as an example, and I click empty recycle bin, for years, even though I had a dark theme enabled, this previously used to be a light theme, which wasn't consistent and was very fragmented. And as you can see, as previously posted, this is now a dark theme where Microsoft is making things more consistent across the board in regards to the user interface. Now, while we are in the recycle bin, if I click on a file and I right click and I click on properties, we can see the properties window is still a light theme, although I have dark theme enabled, and is looking a little bit legacy. So things are still quite fragmented in this department, but it does seem now that it looks like Microsoft is slowly moving to fix this issue in the recycle bin, because Phantom of Earth over on Blue Sky has now spotted in the latest Windows 11 preview build, which I think is in the experimental channel now, build 26,300.8935, includes a hidden modernized file properties window. So hidden features, quick recap, is code that Microsoft is working on internally and is not yet officially enabled in the OS for official testing. So a hidden modernized file properties window has appeared when you open the properties on a file in the recycle bin. And if we head over to an image provided by Phantom of Earth, here we can see you right click on a file in the recycle bin, and here's the new file properties menu. Now currently this is the only window that's been discovered so far, but obviously it's clear that Microsoft is planning to modernize the entire file properties dialog soon, which I do think would be a nice move. Now this move matches Microsoft's commitment to bring WinUI to more areas of the Windows shell. So here we can see things aren't looking as legacy as they did when I showed you the same thing in the light mode. So this is clearly Microsoft making an effort to streamline performance and design consistency across the entire Windows user interface. So I do think that this, with the new WinUI and the dark mode consistent to the theme of the operating system, looks a lot better than this, which is currently the case in the stable version of Windows 11. Now, the modernized file properties on Windows 11 has not yet been announced, but now that the first signs of it are now appearing in preview builds, I think it's unlikely to be much more of a wait before we hear more about Microsoft's plans for modernizing more areas of the File Explorer. And obviously, if I get knowledge of that, I'll post and let you guys know. But I do think at least this is a step in the right direction. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.